Hi guys, it's been a while. You can see I have these glasses on today. My family got tired of me complaining how I can't see anything, so I splurged and got them at Market 32 for $13. Helps me see a little bit. In any case, we are going to talk about perimeter and area. It's a new unit, geometry. And the most important things that we need to think about when talking about perimeter is it doesn't matter the shape unless it's a circle. You add all the side lengths because it's the distance around an object. Area. I think you remember a rectangle. You have to use these formulas right here. The area of a rectangle is length times width. You simply multiply this length by this width, and you have yourself the area, which will tell you the inside of the rectangle, how much space is in there, how many actual squares fit in there. The triangle is the tricky part. A lot of kids struggle with this. You have to use this formula, area equals 1/2 base times height. When I say use the formula, that means you take the base, the length of the base, and the length of the height, and you substitute it in, and then you're going to multiply the height times the base times 1/2. So you're going to multiply three numbers together. The important thing is this right there. That's a symbol that indicates perpendicularity, where this height is perpendicular to this base. The height and the base are always perpendicular, always. So let's go ahead and try a few here. Exercise 1, find the perimeter of the following polygons. A lot of kids would have just said 24 plus 10 because you're supposed to add up all the sides, but those aren't all the sides. A rectangle clearly has 4 sides. So you're going to have to add another 24 and another 10 into that. There you go. So 24 and 24 is 48. 10 and 10 are 20. So you got yourself 68. And the question is 68 what? 68 inches. That is the distance around this rectangle. Now, if we move over to the triangle, you'll see there's 4 numbers on there. 12, 13, 5, and 4. 4 is not part of the perimeter because 4 is not the length of a side. So to find the perimeter of the triangle, it's 12 plus 13 plus 5, which is 25 plus 5, which is in fact 30 inches. Oh, not inches, everybody. I just double checked my units. This is feet. And then over here, this says below, let me move this out of the way. Below is a regular hexagon, which means all the sides are the same length. So you can see there's 6 sides and they're all the same length. So the easiest way to do this, instead of adding 3.26 times, just do 3.2 times 6, which is 19.2. We're talking about feet again. That's the end of this video for perimeter. In the next video, we're going to talk about area.